Hey, Unified Arts students, I'm excited to see you guys at 11 o'clock. This little video is just a reminder for you that the Google Hangouts link to get you joining into our big Google Hangout group is right here. It's also at the top of our class page. Right here, I've got an embedded link. So you just click that, it's the same thing, it'll take you to the same place. All right, so our discussion question for our Google Hangout at 11, I want you to be thinking about is, what are you the most excited to do again after COVID-19 goes away? I know we are all, thinking about the things that we probably all took for granted prior to all this. I think that we'll all be really grateful for a lot of things going back to normal. Normal's exciting, right? But I think once everyone is healthy and safe, and we can go back to a lot of freedoms and luxuries that we had before, I think we'll all take it, be really grateful for that.